Let your kingdom come. Let your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Come alive in us. By your word, every nation will acknowledge that the King of Kings is heard. The gospel light is breaking through, changing all we say and do. We are vessels of your grace, shining glory in this place. We are ready for your reign. Come and rule in us again. Every heart and every tongue declares the victory you've won. Kingdom come alive, alive. Let your glory multiply. Every nation sees your light. Jesus Christ is glorified. Kingdom come alive, alive. Let your spirit unify. We are standing as your church, carrying your holy word. The broken systems start to shift as heaven gives the greatest gift. Justice flows.